I'm about to cook a beef mince bibimbap rice bowl with amazing kimchi mayo. And today I'm gonna use authentic Korean shiitake mushrooms, which have a slightly stronger savory flavor, which brings that amazing umami to the dish. So follow me and let's get started. Rinse the jasmine rice. Add the rice, measured water and a pinch of salt to a pan with a lid and bring to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and cover. Then you can cook it for 10 to 12 minutes or until the water is absorbed and the rice is cooked. Keep covered until serving. Meanwhile, peel and crush the garlic. Peel and grate the ginger. Then you can tear the shiitake mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. Peel the carrot using a normal peeler until you are left with a pile of carrot ribbons. Then stack the ribbons on top of one another and then slice them into thin sticks. Finally, thinly slice the cucumber and spring onion. Mix the mayonnaise with the kimchi and set aside. Here, if the kimchi is very chunky, you can slice it thinly before mixing it with the mayonnaise. Heat a pan over high heat with a drizzle of vegetable oil. Once hot, you add the beef mince and fry it for 5 minutes until browned. Then you start seasoning, so add the sesame oil, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, brown sugar, gochujang paste, watch out, this one is spicy, then some black pepper and a splash of water. Cook for 2-3 more minutes and set aside and keep warm. Heat a second pan over a medium-high heat with a drizzle of vegetable oil. Fry the shiitake mushrooms for 5 to 6 minutes until browned and a little bit crispy. Then transfer them to a plate and keep warm. You can return the same pan to a medium heat with a drizzle of oil and fry the eggs for 2 or 3 minutes until cooked to your liking. Then season the mushrooms and the eggs with a pinch of salt. Divide the cooked rice among bowls, top with the fried beef mince, fried mushrooms, carrot sticks, cucumber slices, the kimchi mayo, and the fried eggs. Garnish with the sesame seed, the spring onions, and a pinch of chili flakes. I can't wait to dig into my Korean bowl. The smell of the shiitake mushrooms is amazing and it's filling the kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to look for other bowl food recipes, you'll find them here. And just a small tip, if you're serving this recipe for small children or people that can't handle the heat, then keep the gochujang paste separate. But for now, I'm just going to dig in. Bon appétit!